multiplication of polynomials. So, to multiply polynomials, if our polynomial is a monomial, so we just simply multiply the numerical coefficients. 3 times 4 is 12. Then add the exponent of the same basis. Since we have the same base x, so you have to copy x. Then it is 2 plus 4 is 6. So remember on the uh, product rule that we are going to add the exponent. So in example 1, we multiply 3 and 4, the numerical coefficient, then add the exponent of the same base x. Now for the second example is multiply 5 and negative 2. That is numerical coefficient. So we are going to multiply, the result is a negative 10. So a times a square is, that is a cube. Then b cube times b, so it is understood that there is an exponent 1 here. So we are going to add the exponent, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4. So therefore our answer is negative 10 a cube b to the power of 4. Remember, if the variable has no exponent, so it is understood that it has an exponent of 1. If there is no numerical coefficient written, meaning it is understood that it is also equal to 1. So number 3, we have 8m to the power of 4 times 3n cubed times 2p to the power of 5. Take note, this is multiplication because there is no sign between the grouping symbol. So multiply the numerical coefficient. So 8, 3 and 2, that is 48. So 8 times 3 is 24, times 2 is 48. So then since we don't have, we only have one m here, so just copy m to the power of 4, still with n to the power of cube, and p to the power of 5, since we don't have common base here. So this is now the product. Do not be confused of the multiplication symbol. You can use parentheses or dot written at the center. So this time we are going to have this multiplication, parentheses and the dot, that is multiplication, the same. For number 4, so still multiply 3 and 6, that is 18, then add the exponents of uh, x, that is 3 and 2, that is 5, that is using product rule. The same also with number 5, multiply 2 times 5, that is 10, copy r squared, then t to the power of 4, since we have t cubed times t, understood that there is an exponent of 1 for t. Now for number 6, that is 1 third x square y times 12x cubed z squared times y to the power of 4z to the power of 5. So the numerical coefficients, we have 1 third times 12 times 1. So what is 1 third times 12? That is 4. So since this is, we are going to multiply 12 by 1, 12 divided by 2, that is 4. So 1 third of 12 is 4 times 1 is 4. Then add the exponents of x. We have 2, 3, and 4, that is 9. For y, we have y to the power of 5. Then for z, we have z to the power of 7. So in short, this is our product. 4x to the power of 9, y to the power of 5, and z raised to the power of. So this time we are going to use the distributive property. So this is a distributive property if a multiplied by a trinomial x plus y plus z. So we are going to distribute a to each term of this trinomial, so that becomes ax. That is a times y is ay, and then a times z is az. So the product is ax plus ay plus az. So that is distributive property. When the word distribute. So for example, we have here 4 times x cubed plus 4x minus 8. So we are going to multiply 4 to each, distribute 4 to each term. Yes, yes. First, we are going to multiply 4 by 3x squared, then 4 by 4x, then 4 by 8. So you have to be very careful of the sign here and minus. We have your minus 4 times 8, since we have your minus sign or minus 8. So 4 times 3, x squared is 12x squared. So 4 times 3 is 12, copy x squared, since we don't have x for 4. 4 times 4 is 16, bring down x. Then 4 times 8 is negative or minus 32. So since we don't have similar terms here, take note that x squared is different. This is addition. So since there is no common literal coefficient, so therefore this is now our answer. you cannot add 12 by 16. If you still remember our topic on addition of algebraic expressions that only similar terms can be added. So you cannot add 12 by 16 because we have x squared is different from x. They have different literal coefficients. That is now the product. So another, we have here still example 3x squared times 4x cubed plus 5x squared y, that is distribute 3x squared 3x squared times 4x cubed plus 3x squared times 5x squared y. So 3 times 4, that is 12. Add the exponent of x. We have x to the power of 5. That is product rule. 3 times 5, that is 15. X to the power of 4. You're going to add the exponent of x, then bring down y. So we just copy y. So you cannot combine 12 by 15. Why? This is addition. Take note, addition, only similar terms can be added. We cannot add these two because they have different literal coefficients. So in other words, our answer is a binomial. That is our final answer. Next, in number 2, we have 5mn times 4m square n plus 6mn square minus 3mn. Distribute 5mn to each term here. So 5mn times 4m square n, that is 20m cubed n square. 5 times 4 is 20. Add the exponent of m. Understood, we have here 1. So that is 1 plus 2, that is 3. For n is 1 plus 1, that is 2. 5 times 3 is 6, sorry. That is 30. Then add the exponent of m. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then n, which we have understood the exponent here is 1 plus 2 is 3. 5 times negative 3, take note that is multiplication of unlike sign is always negative. So this negative 15 or minus 15 m square, then n square. So since we don't have similar terms here, take note, m cubed n squared is different from m squared n cubed. So as m square n square. So there is no similar term. So take note, only similar terms can be added. So wala tayong ma-add. We don't have similar terms here. Then we cannot also subtract 30 by 15 because they are dissimilar literal coefficient. So that's our final answer. Number 3, negative 6a. So we are going to distribute to each term of this multinomial of 4 terms. So negative 6 times 2, that is negative 12, copy AB. Negative 6 times negative 4 is positive because it's like sign. AC, copy AC. Then negative 6 times 7 is negative 42 AD. This is negative 42. So automatically we have here minus 42 AD. Then a negative 6A times negative 3E, that is uh, we have positive 18, just copy AE. So we don't have similar literal coefficients here. So this is now the final answer. Now I have another example, additional example. So this is multiply. So result is 12x squared plus 16x minus 32. How about this example? So distribute 6pq. So 6pq times 2p, that is 12. Then our p, we have p squared, then copy q. We have 6 times negative 1. It is understood that we have a negative 1. Take note, we have a numerical coefficient negative. Negative 1 times 6, that is negative 6 because it is unlike sign. Then p, copy p, then q, that is q squared. Take note, you cannot subtract 12 by 6. This is subtraction of dissimilar literal coefficient that is not allowed because only similar terms can be added or can be subtracted. How do we know that they are similar terms if they have the same literal coefficient? So what are literal coefficients? These are variables including the exponents with their exponents. The same also with this example. So 1 half x squared y, we are going to distribute 1 half x squared y to each term. Okay, so that's it. One half times 6, that is 1 half of 6 is 3. X become, that is 3 x cubed. Understood, we have a 1x, so x cubed, then y is y squared. 1 half of 8, that is 4. X squared times x squared, that is x to the power of 4, and y times y squared is y cubed. Again, you cannot combine these two because they are two different terms, meaning they have different literal coefficient. Okay, the same also with this example. Distribute 2. So that is 8x squared plus 2x plus 6. Since we don't have similar terms, so that is the final answer. For another example, we have 15. That is 15 a cube b plus 3. We have here understood we have here 1. 1 times 3, that is 3 a then b square. Okay, last another example. We have 5 times. So understood we have here 1. So distribute 5r squared s squared. So 5r squared s squared times r, that is 5r cubed s squared. Okay, so this is 5, then r cubed s squared minus 5 times 3 is 15. Then we have here r squared, then s, that is s cubed. So since we don't have similar terms here, because r cubed and s squared is different from r squared s cubed. So try to check the exponents of r and s. So in other words, this is negative 15 because we have a negative 3 times of 5. So this is now the final answer.